set up a Google voting form. So I'm going to assume that you already have a Gmail account and you are logged in to your Gmail. What you're going to do is go over here to the 3x3 grid and you're going to select Drive. Then you're going to create a new document and you go down to More, Google Forms, and what you want is a blank form. Now you can call it whatever you want. Vote here, who should win? And it would be, these are your options, me or somebody else. Okay, this is a required question that people have to answer if they want to vote. You could leave that optional if you don't want people to have to make a choice there. Now, you want to check your settings for this form. If you want to make sure that you know who's voting, you can collect email addresses. I think that requires them to have a Google account. I'm not sure. You can allow people to vote more than once or only once. Oh, okay. Okay. So for one response only, they have to have a Google account. But if you collect their email addresses, you'll be able to see if somebody voted twice. And you have the option here to allow them to change their vote or to see who else, what everybody else voted for, which you probably don't want. Okay, then you save. And that is pretty much it. If you wanted to have another question, you click the plus icon and you can just repeat for as many questions as you want. If you want to see what the form is going to look like, you click the I, and it shows you what the voters will see. So they'll have to enter their email address, and they'll have to choose the answer for the first question, and this second question I didn't complete, so it doesn't look right. And if you want to go back and edit it again, you click the pencil. And then when you're done, you click send. And there's different ways you can send it. You can either send an email. What I like to do is actually click on the link here, and it'll just give you a link that you can then copy and put into your own email. And if you go to shorten URL, it gives you a little shorter link. So you copy that, and then you can paste it into your email and send it to people. Now, when you've given people time to vote, you click responses, and it'll tell you how many people have voted. And if you want to see it in a spreadsheet, you click this, and it will create a spreadsheet. This one's going to be empty because no one's voted. But you'll be able to see what time they voted, what email address they used, and their answer to each question. If you have multiple questions, you'll have multiple columns here, and you'll see the answers to each question from each person. So that's it.